Welcome to Mac Response. We have an iMac here that had an issue with the hard drive, not working correctly. So we removed the drive. It's a 27-inch iMac, and we are now cloning his old drive to a new drive using carbon copy. And once that is done, machine will be ready for use. And the customer requested also a larger drive. So let's say, for example, if you had a 500 gigabyte and you wanted to increase it to 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte, we're able to do that to keep all your programs intact. But as long as there is the drive is not in a physical state with errors and stuff, if it's logical or corruption, we're able to do the cloning fine. So for more information of upgrading your iMac 27-inch with a new hard drive, give us a call at Mac Response on 0207 394 2525. Have a good day.